Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you 3 easy ways to take screenshot on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Whether you like using the buttons, Siri or even just tapping the back of your iPhone, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first and most common way of taking a screenshot on an iPhone is by using the physical buttons. To do this, simply press the side button and the volume up buttons at the same time. You will see the screen flash and hear a camera shutter sound. That means your screenshot has been taken. You can then edit the screenshot, crop it or share it right away. Now you might have noticed that whenever I take a screenshot, I'm taken directly to the screenshot editing screen. But what if I want to take multiple screenshots? In iOS 26, Apple has added the new full screen previews feature that makes it difficult to quickly take multiple screenshots. You can solve this issue by opening the Settings app and going to General. Here, tap on Screen Capture and turn off the toggle for full screen previews. This will stop your iPhone from showing full screen screenshots and display a small preview card at the bottom just like it did in previous versions of iOS. Another method of taking screenshots is through Siri. If you prefer a hands-free method, you can ask Siri to take screenshot for you. Just say the phrase, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." Siri will instantly capture your screen, no buttons needed. You can then tap on the thumbnail to edit or share it just like before. This method is great if your hands are busy or you want to capture something without touching the screen. The third method is super cool. It's called back tap and it lets you take a screenshot just by tapping the back of your iPhone. Here's how to set it up. Open the Settings app, go to Accessibility and then tap on Touch. Now scroll down and tap on back tap. Choose either the double tap or triple tap options, whichever you prefer. And from the list of actions, make sure to select screenshot. Now just double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone and instantly take a screenshot. It feels like magic and it's super convenient. And that's it. You now know 3 different ways to take screenshot on your iPhone 17 using buttons, Siri and back tap. We also showed you how to disable the full screen previews feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and let me know in the comments which method you prefer. Thanks for watching.